Yo, what's up, YouTube? This is the, as y'all can see, this is the type of 2-cycle Ryobi I have, and it's pretty good. This is my second one, but I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a cold start so y'all can see how it goes. All right, so I got my gear on. I'm in my backyard today, but the first step, push this brake back. After you push the emergency brake back, pull the buffer tube out, press it 10 times. If you look right here, you'll start to see the water. That's my gas can. You'll see the alcohol and gas come inside the line. You see it? It's coming inside the line. All right, that was 10 hits. Now it says put your foot on it. If you look right here, the direction says put your foot on it to start. I'm gonna go ahead and put my foot on it. Press pull 3 times. Let's do 3. Good 3 times. All right. After that, I'm gonna go ahead so you can see everything. I'm gonna put my phone down. All right, guys. After that, you push in. This is when you get the good hits. Get that over there. Come on, guys. Just gotta push it a little more time if it don't work. Put the foot all the way through. Yo. If that doesn't work, I would just repeat 1 through 10 over again. There we go, guys. Push that bitch in. Pull 1 time. Alright, guys. Time to go. Let's see how it cuts. I'll do that on another video.